Silverware is the currency of success in cricket, and New Zealand have just hit the Test Championship jackpot. It was June 23, 2021 when much awaited ICC trophy was lifted by Kane Williamson. It is New Zealand's second major trophy after 20 long years, and they will go down in history as the inaugural Test champion. I think as of now it is New Zealand's best moment in cricketing history. Yeah, I really think so. Now, by saying so, what would this mean to the cricketing world? Are they right up there with other top guns like India, Australia and England? Or are they the new group of fabulous foe replacing South Africa? I think this is a perfect statement from old number one test team. They were competing with the best like India, and now what we can definitely say is they are right there with the best in terms of performance. And what a way to achieve this feat after a heartbreaking 2019 World Cup final. That was quite a scene on 14 July 2019, and the way they bounced back through consistency. Nothing but respect for New Zealand and Kane Williamson. The burning question now is, are New Zealand the real contender for any upcoming ICC events? And are they no more the underdogs? I seriously think that New Zealand now are the real contender for any upcoming ICC events, with 4 major trophies upcoming in the future like 2 T20 World Cup in 2021 and 2022, One Day World Cup 2023 and even ICC Test Championship in 2023. New Zealand are now the serious contender rather than just the underdogs and competitor. The opposition must be worrying about New Zealand because of the danger they possess through the combination of experience and youth. The core of New Zealand is as strong as ever, with the experience of Williamson, Taylor, Latham, Southee, Boult, and youth talent of Jamieson, Nichols, Wagner, Santner. New Zealand are as strong as ever. They are keeping everyone honest, and this is quite ominous sign for all the cricketing nation, to say the least. It has always been the case that the team with the best core have always won the tournament. If not, 90% of the team with best core have won the tournament. Like Australia of the 90s and early 2000s and India of the late 2000s. New Zealand also have the best core, and truth to be told, with best core comes better understanding and better performance from every players. So New Zealand must be right there to be contending for anything. Excluding Ross Taylor, all the players are likely to be in that team between these 3 important years, consisting 4 major ICC trophy up for grabs. What a golden opportunity for this great team to win these things and cement themselves as the golden generation of New Zealand cricket with immortality and silverware. I think New Zealand will go as one of the favorites to win the upcoming ICC T20 World Cup in India and also in Australia the following year. They have all the elements to grab what is there to achieve. With the Holy Grail now step aside, I think it is a great and golden chance for New Zealand to win major trophy like I already mentioned. Since getting first is the hardest hurdle, having done that, New Zealand must have gained that confidence and momentum to be a new invincibles. They are showing sign of great team, and it is even reflecting on performance. But who knows what future holds? Yeah, nobody knows future, and only way to predict future is by predicting, and whatever I said was just a prediction, and as ever these are my thoughts. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and please pass me an honest opinion about the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.